Hello and welcome to our YouTube channel. This is Rajesh and I'm back with another PC build video. This is 1,28,000 rupees PC build without the monitor or any peripherals like keyboard and mouse. So we're gonna build this PC for gaming, editing and also music production. The purpose for the customer was making music production and he will also be doing some video editing in future. Since his hobby was gaming, so this PC is also capable of doing gaming. Let's start with the components which we're gonna use in this build. Starting with the processor, we have got Ryzen 7 9700X. This is 32,000 rupees processor, has all the bells and whistles to run any game at good setting. If you have a good graphic card, it can do editing, it can do the job for the customer, which is audio editing, mixing and some kind of audio which this processor can do. To run this processor, we have got the motherboard, which is MSI B650 Tomahawk Wi-Fi. The motherboard is for 22,400 rupees. Again, this motherboard has all the features which required to run this processor. It does have a Wi-Fi, Bluetooth and all necessary requirements to fulfill this PC. For the RAM, again we are going with CL30. Make sure if you're buying a PC and if you want a quick response from the PC, look for the low latency RAM. RAM which we're going to use in this build is G.Skill Trident Z Neo, and that is 6000 MHz 16x2 and it is CL30. For now we are going with 16x2 RAM. In future customer will upgrade to another 16x2, so total 64 GB will be in future. For now we are going with just 16x2, which is 32 GB of RAM. For the SSD, we are going with WD Black. This is SN770 2TB. 1TB is available around 6,000 rupees. This is around 11,500 rupees. Oh, by the way, the RAM is 11,700 rupees. That is today's price. If you want to check the latest price, do consider techmartunbox.com and you will find the latest price. I have also shared, by the way, Amazon links, so if you want to check Amazon you can consider that, but the cheapest price is available on techmartunbox.com. The SSD, it is available for 11,500 as of now. That's today's price. This is 2 TB. If you consider to put a 500 GB SSD and put a 2 TB hard drive, I would not recommend you to do that if in case you are spending like 1,28,000 rupees. The price for the SSD is 11,500 rupees, and price for just the 500 GB and a 2 TB of hard drive will not make much difference. It's better to consider SSD these days. So this is what we have for the SSD. For the graphic card, we have got triple fan from Gigabyte. This is RTX 4060 Eagle OC. This has got triple fan, available for 29,500 rupees, and this can do absolutely fine since customer will be more focused to make audio work and graphic card is more like into his gaming, into his video editing, so 4060 is fine for his requirement. To cool down the processor, we have got DeepCool LE720Y. This is triple fan, a liquid cooler for 6,750 rupees, and this is more like aesthetic, since even 240 mm would be fine for this build, since the price is not a huge difference here. In 360 we are spending only 6,750 rupees for triple fan, which is 360mm AIO, that too in white color, which matches the cabinet build, so the aesthetic would be absolutely beautiful. We are using this cooler LE720 360 mm. And talking about the cabinet, and for the cabinet we have CG580. this comes with 4 pre-installed fan, which I am using right now. This cabinet does come without fan, so if you have extra fan lying around and you want to use the same cabinet, so you can consider CG580. Although the CG584F model, the one I'm using right now, the link is in the description, this comes with Type-C port. The one without the fan doesn't have a Type-C, so do consider that fact. So this is what I have here for the cabinet. To run all this thing, we need this power supply. The power supply is Antec NE650GM, comes with 7-year warranty, has got modular cable and Japanese capacitor, and this is a perfect match for this build. Customer will not be upgrading the GPU in future, not really in 2-3 years. We had a conversation with the customer about the GPU upgrade, so he said he will not be soon upgrading because 4060 will do his job perfectly well. If you think that 650 is not enough, go to MSI PSU calculator and check yourself. I'm pretty much sure you will find what is the requirement for this PC. 650, if you're having gold, it is enough. For 650 bronze, I would not consider. If in case you are considering bronze, then consider 750, but if you are opting for gold, 650 would be fine for this build. So this is what we have: 9700X B650 Tomahawk Max Wi-Fi, 4060 Eagle OC, 2 TB of SSD, 650 gold, 320mm liquid cooler, and a DeepCool case which looks beautiful in white case. We will also be using Windows key, which is Windows 11 Pro OEM key, available on cheapokis.com. If you wish to buy Windows key for yourself, do consider the website and you can buy the key for yourself. So let's begin with the PC build now. So all the product link are mentioned in the description box below. Amazon link is also given. If you have any question, visit techmartunbox.com. I would be glad to answer your questions. The website has the contact number. Do consider us. So let's begin with the PC build. Alright, so we're done with the PC build. 1,28,000 rupees for this PC. Lovely PC build, I would say. Lovely. I just love this cabinet. Everything in this cabinet, in this PC, I'm just loving it. So if you want a PC, you can visit techmartunbox.com, and the links are, by the way, given in the description box below. Both Amazon and Techmart Unbox links are given in the description box below. Go ahead and check the latest price. As per today's date, the price for this PC is 1,28,000 rupees. Also, we have given a monitor to the customer which is MP275Q. This is from MSI for 13,000 rupees. That is 2K IPS panel, a lot of features. You can definitely go to the link and check all the features. So this is what we have for this build. Oh yes, Windows 11 Pro OEM key, which is for 225 rupees. You can also get here for yourself. Visit cheapokis.com for Windows key, 225 rupees for Windows 11 Pro OEM and 199 for Windows 10 Pro. Thank you for watching till the end. Stay happy and stay blessed. Bye bye, and I'll see you in the next video. Don't forget to subscribe, as it really motivates me to make some more videos. Thank you.